If you're diving into the world of AI dubbing, you might have come across Dubverse, but does it really deliver on its promises? Let's explore what this tool offers and whether it's worth your time and money. Dubverse is designed to simplify the dubbing process for content creators, allowing you to add voiceovers in multiple languages with just a few clicks. The interface is quite user-friendly, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced creators alike. You upload your video, select the language, and let the AI do its magic. What stands out is the quality of the generated voices. They sound surprisingly natural. However, I did notice a lack of customization options. For instance, if you want to tweak the tone or emotion of the voice, you might find yourself limited. The intended audience seems to be marketers, educators, and anyone looking to make their content more versatile. Still, there are areas that feel a bit unclear, like the specifics of the pricing model and whether there are any hidden fees. It's worth noting that the performance can vary based on the video content, so results may not always be consistent. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Dubverse offers a straightforward interface and impressive voice quality. It's great for quick projects and can save a lot of time. However, some frustrations arise with the limited customization options and a lack of clarity around pricing. Trust concerns might also come into play, as there isn't extensive user feedback available to gauge the reliability of the service. Additionally, if you're looking for advanced features or specific voice styles, you might find Dubverse lacking. It's likely best suited for casual users or small businesses that need basic dubbing services, while larger companies might want to explore more robust tools. In conclusion, Dubverse could be a solid choice for those needing quick and decent dubbing without a steep learning curve. However, if you require more advanced features or customization, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it feels like a tool worth trying, but proceed with a little caution regarding its limitations.